Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be covering the header and the footer on our Microsoft Word document. So while you're working through your document, you may notice at the top of your screen, you're going to have some margin here. And depending on what you set your margin at, you should have some room for a header and a footer. But right now, by default, we have the 1-inch margin on the left, the top, the right, and the bottom. And if we want to add something to our header, all we have to do is double click in this space up here. And then once you do that, you see that we can start editing the header and the footer. The header now, but then eventually the footer as well. And you can see we also get this new tab here on our ribbon that allows us to add all sorts of different cool little features to the header or the footer. So let's just say in the top for our header, we just want to add our name. So I'll just put Michael C. All right. And then once I click away, now you can see that I now have this information here in my header. And if I scroll through my document, it's going to be at the top of the page for every single page of my document. Now, if we come back over to the bottom of the page, we can actually make a change to the footer. And one of the things that you may want to add to your footer, it could be the date. It could be maybe something about the author. I mean, who knows? Whatever is relevant to your document, I'm sure you know what you need to add there. But what a lot of people like to do is they like to add the page number. So once you double click on the header or the footer, you're going to get an option for page number. And when you click on it, you can go ahead and decide where you want to place the page number. So for us, we want to place it here at the bottom of the page. Then we can decide where we want it to be. Do we want it to be off to the right, to the middle, to the left? So let's go ahead and select the left. Okay. And then once we click away, now you see we have our name at the top, and then at the bottom we have this. We have our the page number, and then if I scroll through, you can see it's going to automatically adjust, and then it would just keep incrementing depending on how many pages that we have. So that is how you're actually able to edit the header and the footer on your Microsoft Word document.